What's up, guys? It's Lazy Bread here, and welcome to my channel. And today's video, I'm going to play with my classmates in Roblox Grow a Garden, and they are a little bit shy right now.
Hello guys!
Yeah, JD over there, and my classmates. That's what I said earlier.
Hello!
Don't you know I'm going to post this on YouTube? Is that fine to you? Kate. Nah, bro. Kate left the chat. Bro.
Myself?
What? Do not say my
Can you
name.
buy me the
Do
grape?
not say my name. That.
Myself, can you buy me the
Do
grape?
not say my name.
There's a grape.
I am. Okay.
Myself, will you give me the grape?
Do not say my name. I'm going to post this on YouTube.
Can you
Just call me lazy.
Can you give me?
Just call me late. Okay.
Just give me the grape.
I have to pay Robux. I don't have Robux.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You can buy it. And you give me it. Oh my god! Corn?
Corn.
I already buy it. Gonna buy the tomato and blueberry.
And you know, I am going to wait for 3 hours. Wow.
Guys, my garden is kind of cracked.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
But I kind of like the cactus.
One, four, five. I don't.
Little doggy. That's a rabbit. Yacht. Yacht. Yacht.
I have so many.
W
blueberries.
rabbit. W rabbit. Look at that yacht.
Oh my god!
Just
my
joking.
eggs are ready.
Just
What should I
joking.
get?
Just joking. Just joking. That's just its legs. Don't worry.
Kate, will you trade me this? What will you trade?
Okay po.
Wait lang. I'm finding it. Let me show you all. Let me show you all.
I'm not a fan of Discord because I'm on my phone. I'm on my tablet. And the call is from my phone. It doesn't have Discord.
7, 8, 9. Which one do you like? From 9. 1 to 9.
Face off.
The ring. Can I see the 7? Okay, wait. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wait.
Say 7.
Anyways, let's go grind. Let's look because look at my poor money. Don't you see that? Don't you see that?
This one? This? No! The sixth one! Wait lang.
Kate,
2,
come here, come
3,
here.
4, 5.
Your dog's name is Dazzy.
Yung malaki na white. Nakatulad ako.
Bad internet.
Nakatulad ni Sarah. Ito.
That's why I cannot understand her.
Nasaan yung habit ko?
And you actually do not understand her. I'm stuck, okay.
Nasaan mo?
I'm not stuck. And JD over there. What's up, JD? What's up? What's up? What's up? That sometimes we talk like that. How many grapes do I have? I mean, how many mangoes do I have? It's like 1,000,000 of mangoes. Oh my god, it's growing another again.
Finally, I have the dragon fruit. Can I have the what? What? I have the white one. Wait. Can you wait?
Do not be mean.
Wait, I'm trying to plan. Come to me. Where are you?
I'm gonna buy something. Wait, my wrist. My wrist. Okay. Wait.
I mean, wrong. Mali. Give it back. Balik mo. Wait lang, ang dami ko kasing alaga. Sana yun? This? Wait lang, trade ko sa'yo. Dito ka. Huwag kang magalaw, hindi ko ma-trade.
Do not worry, my auntie.
Wait lang, hindi ko ma-trade. Wait lang.
RIP money.
Mamaya. Wait lang, ang lagi, ang lag.
Sabi ng mama mo.
Oh my god, I just got the rainbow. Who wants to see my rainbow? Rainbow tomato. Nice. I mean, lazy bread.
Bro.
Bread.
Just bread.
Bread, calm down.
Malapit naman. Sabi nga si...
Look at this.
Hindi na mabasa ako, sister. Hindi ko healthy.
Look at this.
Where? Oh,
Madali ka din lumaki.
I haven't seen that for years.
Diba?
Oh my god. You jump scared me. Bop.
So expensive.
Oo nga, ang laki pa rin. Hello, sister! Kaya okay na ako.
Nanay.
Yung matagal.
Record.
Yung pala hindi ko nakakita sa sarili ko, nanay.
Oo.
Diba, sis? Yung sa i-crash diet natin. Oo. Unhealthy daw yung sister. Baka nung magkasakit ka pa. Kasi daw diba, hospital.
Oo.
Hello? Kahit matagal na. Maganda na lang din tayo. Pero ikaw ayaw magtiba. Calorie deficit.
Kate, come here.
Tensya na lang.
Kate, come back.
Isang buwan ka na ba? Higit na.
Here, wait. Andito ako.
What's this?
Bahala na. Yung ano sis,
What
I
is
cannot
this?
trade you.
portion na lang. Oo.
No, no.
Huwag mo saan. Kailan nag-school ka kasi? Kailangan ko serious. Di mag-almusal ka. Mag-fasting na lang akong gabi. Konti lang. Oo.
Bro.
Mag 1,000 calorie ka lang. Okay lang na hindi
It's still growing slowly.
Basta wag lang sa sobra. Oo. Pero, tensya ka.
Yeah.
Tama
Lorraine.
ka, kakain ka, konti ko lang.
Can you guess how many
Konti lang yan.
dragon fruit do I have?
I don't know. Look at this.
5.
Dalawang kutsara.
Bamboo.
Kam nga rin sa tanghali.
That's what kind of bamboo is that? Is that a bamboo or bamboo?
Sabi,
I don't know. Let me collect it.
Oo nga. Wala ang
Lorraine. Was that a bamboo or a bamboo?
This is a bamboo. Look at this.
Yun ang motivation ko, sister. Tapos siya,
Wait. I'm gonna text something. I'm gonna. Sama naman naman yes for ang nagagawa drops.
Babalik yung aura ko nung pandemic.
Still not done yet.
Kasi sa sis, parang okay na ako eh. Okay na naman. Dalaga. Parang sa asawa mo na lang. Sa asawa mo na lang. Hindi na yung motivation. Para sa asawa ko. Like, ay, sarap din yun. Pero hindi, ang pinaka-main ko, yung connection. O, tapos yung iba, oy, pauwi ko. Uy, ang layo mo sa dati. Yung gano'n, di ba? Hindi naman.
I'm gonna give my pet away.
Hindi siya coffee niya, sis.
Don't you know? Now I have 4 grapes.
Wow.
Kate.
Yung nasunod din sa ano?
Bro, oh my god. Oh hell no.
What's mo?
Ano po?
Tayo na yung ass na yan.
Wait lang po.
Ano kayang iinumin? Gusto ko talaga sis mainom. Ay, oo. Pwede ka naman uminom. Pero, tsaka pa isa-isa lang.
Finally, bro. No, I will have a wet daffodil. Wet daffodil.
Oh my god, I have the biggest strawberry.
Okay, mag-egg ako. Yung ganun ba kasi? Dalawang boiled egg.
Ow.
Oo nga, kakain ko.
Life in a dream house.
Kasi mas wala siyang nutrients. Wala siyang vitamins. Ang ano
You know what? I think my grape is kind of drippy, bro.
Chano, may vitamins pa din.
Oh my god, bro. More, bro. Thunder, more.
Bread.
What?
Bread, come here. Can you give me dragon fruit, mango,
Kaya,
cotton candy,
yun ang inumin ko sis eh.
Rysel.
Okay.
I mean, bread.
Text it on the list.
Wait,
British choco.
Go in
Mag-water na lang ako.
go in Messenger and
Pwede ka naman mag-inom.
because I didn't hear you.
Kalahati lang.
lasa lang siya.
Hindi makainom ka lang.
Na mainit. Hindi ko kasi kaya yung mainit na tubig lang. Ay, ko.
Hey, bread. Bread.
What?
Bread.
What?
To me. Get me this.
Magano na lang ako.
Pero
Get
sa
me this.
one, alam mo na kung
Magkano yung
Okay.
yung gamot?
Then,
sa'yo. Yung ka lang dito, huwag mong makita ko mura.
Ilang piraso yun?
Okay, wait.
guys, look at this. Look what happened to my pumpkin.
Nagkawasan ako ng 10 kilo.
What happened to your pumpkin? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Nakaramdam
9,
Nabibili lang ako ng
10. Okay, and
Can you give me this? This?
mango?
Yes.
How many?
5.
Okay. 1, 2, bro, they are so hard to find, bro. 1, 2, mango, bamboo, and coconut. Okay.
is so good. You copied me. Bro, you are...
Bro. Okay, and
She's 18 years old.
Who's that?
Hey.
Yun na lang sa story mo. Alam mo matatanggal sa'yo, yung ngatak-ngatak.
okay, bro.
Oo. Tapos, pag madaling, pag hating gabi, yung biscuit.
I want 10.
Okay.
Oo.
1, 2,
Oo, sobra-sobra sa
3,
1,000 calories.
4,
Merienda pa lang sis, ang maghapon pa
5,
lang.
6, 7,
Yan lang. Parang kahit di ka mag-weigh
Bro.
nung food mo.
9,
Estimatein mo na lang na, ay,
I mean 8,
huwag
9,
ka nung ano. Kasi ma-estimate mo yung
10.
rice mo. Oo. Ay, ganito pala ang 100 grams.
JD,
Ganito pala
anything else?
ang 100 grams.
And
na
the
rice.
last
Gantong portion. Tapos,
Sa ulam.
120 calories na mga ganun.
Bread, where are you?
Dragon fruit. Okay.
Bro,
1,
can I have 3 mango, 6
2.
bamboo, and 9 coconut?
Okay.
Wait.
Wait, I'm gonna give this to JD.
Okay, you do that first.
Magmotor na kayo.
You buy the legendary egg. Let's go. Gonna plan.
Don't you know that turtle is the legendary too?
Bili na doon, tapos
Balikan mo
salaman ko ito.
Balikan mo na lang ito. Kasama mo yun. Ay, natin. Ay,
Wait, tatanong ko kasi, pwede ko balikan mo na yung sa is.
Not done yet.
Hindi na.
Hindi
It's
ganun
gonna
na, mamaya na
mine.
lang. Pag hindi, edi bukas na, agahan nyo na lang. Lab, paalam ka na buhay.
Wait lang po.
Can I have some
Who's that?
Okay.
Can you wait? It's me. Oh, okay. It's okay.
Last year pa ako sa
Bread, where are you?
Oo, di ba puro ka na black coffee?
Kailan ba ako nagpa-dental?
I'm in front of your...
Basta bare months yun na eh, hindi magde-December.
Okay,
Mga
these are the dragon fruit.
Simula nun, hindi na ako
September lang yun.
Baby, I mean... Bread.
Oo.
You just said JD.
Bro, it's wrong.
Oh,
Bread, where are you?
what?
Fine.
Wow,
Done.
puwersa na.
Rogi, take ka na.
Go.
Masakit pa init.
Just text me. Just text me. Just text me.
Red, am I done?
Itong damit ko, sinuot ko na kasi ito. Kaya
Yeah.
suot ko na nga ulit. Pagpunta ko sa kapila, sinuot ko ito.
Lorraine, just text me because because I'm going to go shopping with my mom.
Okay.
Just text me. Just text me.
Yeah.
Okay, that's today's video, and I hope you like. I hope you smash that like button and subscribe.